and we're off, cycling away from the car, which is at Inverness Airport. We've left Dingwall in some sunshine, but there's gusts of up to 50 miles per hour forecasted for later on today. So we'll see how we get on heading to Ullapool. Somebody's a happy bunny.
First of the day.
Coming up that last hill, and it wasn't a hard hill either. My stomach felt like it was eating itself. I'm just absolutely famished. At the top of the hill, it's this little cafe here, and I've ordered a latte and a gluten-free bacon bap, or a carrot cake for later. It'll probably be squash by the time I eat it, but I don't think I'll care. Good. For the North Coast 500 to Loch Carron, turnings on the left here, but today we'll go straight on. About 24 kilometres from Ullapool, and yeah, the gust is been forecasted is now here. There's no reasonable shelter. I'm windswept, cold, beyond exhausted. I'm absolutely miserable. We walked a few kilometres. The gusts got too dangerous for us to continue cycling. We're back on our bikes now, and wind's died down. It's pretty much downhill into Ullapool, but I'm absolutely cold. Less than 10k to Ullapool now. It's been a tough day with strong headwinds, but it's the side winds that I really don't like. Got wet and cold, and currently can't feel my fingers and toes. And cycling with Lloyd, sharing the good and the not so good, is nice. morning and welcome to day 3. We're heading back to Inverness from Ullapool, but rather than do it in 2 days as we did on the way out, we're planning to do it in one go. The wind's died down compared to yesterday, but it's still fairly strong. But the wind direction's maintained itself. So what was a headwind yesterday is now a tailwind. No complaints from me. That left turn arrow warning sign is where I had my mental breakdown yesterday. We stood there for a little while and then decided to walk it. Much better today, heading back towards Inverness with a tailwind. km/h. This is amazing. So much better than yesterday. So we've stopped at the Black Falls to use the toilet, and do you remember that carrot cake I bought yesterday? Well, it remained untouched, so I thought I'd have it now. It's a little bit squashed, but you recognise it as cake. Good cake. We'll be going through Muir of Ord. If there's a train to Inverness from there, do you want to take that option? Cool. We'll get there, figure it out. If that's an option, and we'll take it.
My legs say yes.
My entire body says yes.
Well, it's all right there. Let's see if we can make sure that doesn't tip over there.
You are star. Thank you very
I think it's a
much.
wheelbarrow you need.
Yes. We've reached Inverness Airport by train from Muir of Ord. Make our way to the car and then on to a cottage we've booked. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video and maybe even found it helpful. If you want to see more of what I get up to, don't forget to click subscribe and you'll be notified when I next post my video. Until then, cycle safe. Take care. Bye.